In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, whether you're editing a report, a presentation, or just looking to tidy up your document. Removing unwanted pages can make a huge difference. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to easily remove pages from your PDF document. To start, you'll want to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It's really important to ensure you're using the Pro DC version because it provides all the comprehensive tools you need for editing PDFs, including deleting pages. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. There you'll find the Edit option. By clicking Edit, you're allowing yourself to manipulate the structure of your document. Next, you'll need to find the Organize Pages tool. This option is a fantastic feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC because it gives you a clear visual layout of all the pages in your document. Clicking Organize Pages opens a new window where thumbnails of each page appear. This is your current document's roadmap, and it's where you can freely rearrange, rotate, or delete pages. Now, to remove a page, simply click on the thumbnail of the page you want to delete. This action selects the page, readying it for the next step. Selecting the page thumbnail is crucial because it establishes the target page you no longer want in your document. With the page selected, your pointer should gravitate to the left pane where a trash can icon is displayed. Go ahead and click this icon. It's here to help you perform the action of deleting. Once you click the trash icon, a dialog box will pop up. This dialog box is a safeguard to confirm that you truly want to delete the selected page. You'll need to confirm the deletion to proceed, ensuring that no unintended deletes happen by accident. Finally, after you've confirmed, the page will be gone from your document. It's always a good idea to save your changes after making edits. Click on File in the top menu and choose Save to secure your changes. Saving your PDF finalizes the removal, ensuring that the unwanted pages are gone for good and your updated document is ready to go. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage the content of your PDF files with Acrobat Pro DC. This skill not only streamlines your documents, but also enhances their professionalism and readability. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with a few tries, you'll be managing PDFs like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.